Well, there is one negative to the technique that I use to help humanity here on the highway. And that is that the guys behind me get so frustrated. I can only imagine. Not the intelligent ones, but the high volume ones. They're the ones that are, okay, why is this guy going so damn slow? Gotta get more into this traffic. Man, and they'll be really pissed when they find these videos on YouTube. This is not this guy making YouTube. Damn it. I can imagine they're cursing me out. I had two people just go out from behind me. But again, in saving humanity from its own stupidity, people are gonna get their feathers ruffled, and that's basically what happens. It happens every time, every day in life, in other areas and matters, and the highway's no different. So, yeah. Sorry. So, basically, like I tell, that's why I'm telling y'all. Don't go on the right lane. I'm going to tell you right now. Stay out of the right lane. Stay out of it. Just get to the right lane when you are going to leave the highway. If you're not leaving in this coming exit and the next one, don't get on the right lane. There's no reason to use the right lane unless you are leaving. Okay? That's it. Stay out of the right lane, because you know what? You don't need to be here. You're just extra traffic. You're tying up things. And then the cars entering, you don't give them a chance to get in. You're a pest. And that's the simplicity of it. And the sooner you realize that, the better highway traffic will get and life will be. It's as simple as that. There's some people don't realize that they're pests. And it's because you don't think. And that's it. So you believe the world or the universe encircles you. It revolves around you. You have to get there. Your travel is the most important one on the highway. No one needs to get there except you. See how this guy's doing? He don't know what he's doing, where he's going. I mean, it's, that's not moving. I gotta get out of here. Stay out of the right lane. Yeah, that's what you should do on purpose, not because the right lane's holding up. Because you should just do it out of principle. Stay out of the right lane, guys. See, the better you stay out the right lane, let traffic move, because you guys are like the turd that makes the toilet back up. All right? That's what it is. Let it flow, baby. Get out of the way.